So you're ready to tune your car with IE, but you're asking yourself, what is Core, Pro, and Apex? The simple answer is Core, Pro, and Apex are tuning suites that unlock different stages, fuel support, and advanced features depending on how you want to build your car. But your tune is still your stage. At IE, we have spent years pushing technology forward. We were the first to bring mobile flashing to VW and Audi. We made ethanol tuning easy with our TrueFlex tuning. We added built-in engine safeties with Auto Protect and introduced advanced racing features like rolling anti-lag, no lift shift, and adjustable tuning. And now, IE drivers can customize things like exhaust crackles, launch control, throttle response, boost spike gear, and more directly from our PowerLink app without reflashing the entire tune. Just tap, toggle, or swipe, and the changes happen instantly. So how does all of this advanced technology fit into traditional stage 1, stage 2, and stage 3 tuning world? Well, they don't. At least, not very cleanly. Traditionally, tuning stages were designed around hardware. Stage 1 typically requires no hardware upgrades and unlocks the power left on the table from the factory. Stage 2 is designed for upgrading hardware like intakes, intercoolers, and full exhaust systems. And when things get serious with turbo upgrades, that's where Stage 3 comes in. But here's the problem. Historically, if you wanted advanced tuning features, you were often forced into buying more hardware and moving up in stages just to access them. Maybe you wanted rolling anti-lag or adjustable crackles, but didn't actually want a bigger turbo or go full Stage 3 on your setup. Our drivers wanted more flexibility. Some want a simple daily driver tune at a lower price. Others want advanced features possible even on Stage 1. And that's exactly why we created tuning suites. Again, your tune is still your stage. Core, Pro, and Apex are suite packages that combine different stage support, fuel options, and advanced tuning features. No matter which suite you choose, every IE tune includes core technology, depending on your platform. That could be PowerLink Mobile, raise RPM limits, remove speed limiters, Auto Protect, safety monitoring, and Stage 1 tuning support. In our core package, this is designed for drivers who want major power gains, improved drivability, and all the essentials while staying with Stage 1. It's streamlined, affordable, and includes Stage 1 tuning with standard features and 91 or 93 octane support, depending on your platform. In our Pro suite, this is going to unlock advanced tuning flexibility. Depending on your platform again, this is going to include features like adjustable exhaust crackles, valet mode, and ethanol support with IE TrueFlex. Plus, this will also unlock Stage 2 tuning support for upgraded hardware setups. That means you can run Stage 1 Pro or Stage 2 Pro while still enjoying all the added tuning features. Apex. This is the full performance ecosystem. This suite is built for serious drivers and enthusiasts who want maximum tuning capability and all the advanced racing style features. Depending on the platform, Apex will unlock race fuel support, anti-lag launch control, rolling anti-lag, no lift shifting, boost spike gear, adjustable launch control, and more. You can run Stage 1 Apex, Stage 2 Apex, or go all out with Stage 3 Apex. Let's talk about map packs. Stage 3 tuning is reserved for upgraded turbo systems and require a dedicated turbo calibration file. That's why Stage 3 uses separate IE turbo map packs alongside the Apex Tune suite. This keeps advanced features and tuning flexibility accessible at lower stages without forcing every customer into the cost of a full turbo upgrade. And when upgrading between suites, like moving from Core to Pro to Apex, you only pay the difference. You can also upgrade tune suites, transmission tunes, or add turbo map packs directly through the PowerLink app right on your phone. Keep in mind, stages, fuel support, and available features can all vary depending on your platform, so always check the product page for your specific vehicle. So the bottom line, IE tuning suites let you choose the exact combination of performance features and flexibility that fits your build at a price and upgrade path that just makes sense.